Welcome to Alan's Yummy Food Story. So today guys we're gonna make an egg potato cutlet, which is really crispy and a good tea time snack. So now we got the ingredients here. We got 4 boiled eggs here and we got 3 boiled potatoes which we peeled. Next we got crushed 1 onion and make it look like this. Not only that, we got some garlic ginger paste. Not only that, we chopped up some green chili. We also chopped up some coriander and also we chopped up some curry leaves. So here are the curry leaves. So now let's head to the masalas. We got coriander powder here. Next we got some cumin seeds. Next we got some turmeric powder. Next we got some garam masala. And next we got the most important masalas here for making this recipe. We got the red chili powder. Not only that, we got some bread and also some rusk crumbs here. Bread crumbs is also used to make the mixture of the cutlet here. Not only that, we got some uncracked eggs that we will crack and will soon whisk. So now we got the ingredients. Let's head to the first step. So the first step, guys, is to grate the boiled potato and the hard boiled eggs here. So now we finally grated all those stuff. So now we gotta before mixing here, let's add the following ingredients. So first things first, add the crushed up onions. Next we gotta add the crushed up ginger and garlic paste here. And next we gotta add the finely chopped green chili here. We gotta add the chopped coriander leaves, and finally we gotta add the chopped curry leaves. Next we gotta add the chopped curry leaves. So now we added all those, and after that add and mix it well like this. And before mixing, adds the pinch of salt, the required amount of salt, and then mix it thoroughly. So now guys, we gotta add the masalas here. So the masalas we gotta add is the red chili powder. We gotta add the red chili. You gotta add the coriander powder here. You gotta add the coriander powder. Next, you gotta add we gotta add the coriander. We gotta add this powder. We gotta add the cumin seeds. Don't forget that. Also, we gotta add this turmeric powder. Not only that, and after that, mix it well, really perfectly well here. Then add 2 tablespoons of bread crumbs. You gotta add 2 tablespoons of bread crumbs. As you can see, I gotta mix them like this. And then after that, knead this mixture into a dough-like shape. And then crack off the 3 unboiled eggs here and whisk them like this. So after you whisk those eggs, make this mixture, this dough-like mixture, a bowl-shaped one, and also make those mixture balls a patty-shaped cutlets. So the cutlets are not yet cooked yet. So before that we gotta add the rusk crumbs here. Also, covering is a really major important thing here, since if you do not cover properly, then it will get spoiled while cooking. So next, you gotta cover it very evenly and very properly into that egg mixture, that whisked egg mixture. Then only after that, you gotta properly cover it with breadcrumbs. So now that we cover them all, we gotta place these cutlets here into the freezer and into the refrigerator's freezer zone, and keep the cutlets, the uncooked cutlets, into the freezer in 10 minutes. So after that, you must heat up the pan and also boil the oil, and after that place those cutlets into the oil, but remember to keep it on low flame heat, otherwise the cutlets will burn. So after you place the cutlets and finally cook them properly with low heat, now these delicious cutlets are ready, along with the sauce that my mom has created. So now I'm ready to taste test this cutlet. So now guys, I'm going to taste the potato egg cutlet. So it's really crispy on the outside and also really soft on the inside. So let's see how the inside looks. It looks so marvelous in the inside. So I'm going to dip into the sauce here, the tomato onion sauce. It's made of both tomato and onion. So now let's first dip it in the sauce. Here we go. So good. Even though the sauce is a bit spicy and tingly, it's so good. A combination with the sauce and also the mixing with the cutlet is so satisfying. And also the taste results are very great. And now guys, time to test the cutlet without dipping the sauce. Good. So it's also very good even without dipping it in the sauce. It's very good with mayonnaise. It's good with basically any sauce that you have right now. So with that out of the way, if you like this recipe, then try it out for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification so that you will not miss any beautiful videos like this one. And also, make sure to share this video here to your families and friends. And with that out of the way, bye.